Hello guys, Moneymaker here. Today it is a very important video, as you have seen in the thumbnail and title, that I am going to talk about affiliate marketing scams. Many of the affiliate gurus are trying to scam you in the world of internet, and this is a very important video which you should watch till the end so that you can understand and you won't get trapped in such scams, because if you get trapped in this scam, you are going to lose your money. And the most important thing for me here is to protect you and your money so that you can invest it in a better way and start earning money by doing affiliate marketing, online business, or creating content. So this is a very important channel for you if you really are interested in make money online. So now let's jump into the content. I will show you what are some of the things which you should keep in mind if you are going to invest some of your money in make money online or earning online, doing affiliate marketing or any other stuff. Okay, so the first thing which comes to your mind is that if you really want to earn some money doing internet marketing or affiliate marketing or online business, the first thing is that you should invest in some of the course. Okay, many of the people invest in courses. This is a very good type of approach for if you are starting to do any type of business, because you can learn many of the things from the course. But there are some of the three things which you should keep in mind while buying a course which can teach you the particular stuff. Okay, the first thing is big price. Most of the affiliate gurus or many other who are the big YouTubers just try to sell you their courses at a very big price, and the content which they provide in that course is very limited one or a very common one. So just keep in mind that if you really are interested in affiliate marketing or online content creation, then you can find a decent professional course at the price of $100 to $300, and there is no need to spend more than that. Okay, this is very important thing which most of the people don't know, and that's why they get scammed and they lose much amount of money. Okay, so the content which you are going to get in $1,000 course is the same content which you are going to get in $100 to $200 course. So this is very important. If you find someone who sells the courses at a really big price, then just stay away from that type of affiliate gurus as well as that type of courses, because they are going to provide you the same content which you can find in a course which is at a reasonable price. This is very important. Even I myself, when I started affiliate marketing, I just went to buy some courses, and I found that some of the courses were very expensive. But one of my friends just told me that buy a course which is really at a reasonable price and you will get the same content. So this is very important if you really want to make money online. This is my real life experience which I am going to tell you, that you should go for a course which is $100, $200 or $300, and you can learn whatever you want to learn. Affiliate marketing, website designing, whatever in the online field you want to learn, you can learn in this price bracket, and you are going to receive all the professional tutorial or experience. Okay, so that's really important. Another red flag which appears if you are going to make money online while buying a course is unrealistic claims. Okay, many of the affiliate gurus are running ads on internet 24/7 which present you with unrealistic claims like you may get rich very quick, you may earn $10,000 a day, and that type of stuff. Please stay away from those gurus or from those mentors, because they just want to get you in their courses and sell you, and they will upsell you many of the things, and those things won't be much useful to you. So this is very important, that if any of the affiliate guru or any of the guy on internet who takes this type of unrealistic claims and presents you with it, then stay away from that guy or stay away from that product which he is trying to sell to you. That's really very important. But don't take this in a negative manner. There are many of the affiliate gurus which are available on YouTube as well as on the internet who are providing you genuine information in their course. So first thing, you must understand that you must buy a course from a person who has given his course at a reasonable price. And another thing, that you should connect to this person. If you are able to connect to that person and understand whatever he teaches, whatever manner or whatever style of teaching he has, if you understand that what type of teaching, and if it fits inside your brain really fast, then you should consider buying his course. But still I recommend that you should check out his content, his videos, and see what is available in his course. And another thing, before buying any of the course, you should keep in mind that you check out the reviews of the course which he is offering, because most of the courses do have such reviews. Okay, if you check the reviews, you get the audience information. Okay, so that's really important. And third thing is, we should stay away from is get rich quick approach. 24/7 the ads are running on internet which provide you information about get rich quick approach or schemes via affiliate marketing. See, this is a really genuine and legit method, affiliate marketing, but many of the scammers and many other people have created a little bit of bad reputation for affiliate marketing. But what I want to say is that it's a very positive and genuine approach if you are really going to start a business in affiliate marketing. And I definitely recommend to you that you should start your business as an affiliate marketer, because affiliate marketing is a very much growing industry in 2020. So this has grown almost 40% in 2018. It is growing in 2019, and it is going to grow even further in 2020. So this is really very important. Okay, so now just stay away from the persons who are giving you this type of approaches which is get rich quick, because no one's ever going to get rich quick without putting any work. Okay, so you must put in some work. Okay, but you can definitely get rich, but you have to put in some work, you have to do something, you have to sacrifice something in order to get rich. Okay, this is really very important. This is a practical approach towards affiliate marketing which I am showing you in this video. This is my personal experience which I am telling you. So if you really like my content, if you like my videos, just press the like button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.